complex number. Ncert class 11. Chapter 5.1. Okay. So let's start. Already, if you have not yet been seeing the videos regarding complex number, go to playlist and see in the description box. I'll give you the link. Okay. First one is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. What is the value of this? First, what I have to do? I have to multiply 5 into minus 3 by 5 into I square. As you all know, I square means minus 1. So the answer is 3. Right? Next one, I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. So first, I'll try to make the power in form of 4, multiple of 4, in form of multiple of 4. So what is that? I to the power 8 into I to the power 16 into I cube. I to the power 8 means 1 into I to the power 16 means 1, I cube means minus I minus I, get cancels, 0. I to the power 4n equal to always 1. Okay. Number 3. I to the power minus 39. First, let me write 1 by I to the power 39. Okay. 39 means 1 by I to the power 36 into I cube. Alright. I to the power 36 means 1. So that is 1 by I cube. That is 1 by minus I. 1 by minus I. 1 by minus I means multiply with my I both sides. Can you see this? Okay, alright. So what I did? Minus 39. Using the formula of indices, I wrote it 1 by I to the power 39. Now I to the power 39 is I to the power 36 into I cube. Alright. So I to the power 36 is 1. I cube is minus I. But I cannot write I in the denominator. So that's why I multiplied with I in numerator and denominator. The numerator becomes I and the denominator becomes I square minus I square. I square is minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. Okay. Next. I have to simplify this 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. So how it will be? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. 1 by 27 plus I 9i square plus 27i cube. So that is minus 9. 27i cube means 27 into minus I. So 1 by 27 minus 9. I minus 27i means minus 26i. So that is So the solution will be minus 242 by 27 minus 26I. Alright. So I use the formula a plus b whole cube. Then I use the value of I square, that is minus 1, and I cube, that is minus I. This is the simplification of this expression. Right? There is a term very commonly you will get, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Suppose if it is told you that find multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Okay, find the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. So let z equal to root 5 plus 3i. Z inverse equal to what? Right? What I have to do? I have to multiply with the conjugate. So what I have to do? Root 5 minus 3i. Here 5 minus 9i square. So root 5 minus 3i by 14. Why 14? I square equal to minus 1. So 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Okay. So the multiplicative inverse of z is this, or root 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14i. Students, always try to write the complex number in form of a plus ib. Always try to write in form of a plus ib. Okay, because without this format you cannot find anything like modulus, conjugate, multiplicative inverse. For any kind of calculations you have to write the number in form of a plus ib. Okay. Next, in this chapter there are 5.1 to 1 minute. 5.1 to 5.3 and a miscellaneous chapter. So total 4 chapters. Okay. So today I am teaching you 5.1. Today's topic is 5.1. Achha. I already taught you how to do 5.1. Now 5.2. In 5.2 you have to find the arguments. For this also you do one thing, you go to my channel and go to my playlist of class 11 and check complex numbers, day 1, day 2, day 3 and all. This is a chapter I am teaching you right now, but the topics and theories I told you in the previous classes. Z equal to minus root 3 plus I. So you see x is minus and y is plus. So the point is lying in this quadrant. Okay, this is the quadrant where argument is pi minus theta. So what is theta? Theta equal to modulus of y by x, that is 1 by minus root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Theta equal to 30 degree. Then what is the argument? As it is lying in the second quadrant, argument of z equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. For second quadrant it is pi minus theta. For first quadrant it is theta obvious. For here it is theta minus pi and here minus theta. Always remember this thing. You can find out the arguments of any numbers within 2 seconds. Okay. Polar form. Root 3 plus I, write in polar form. Very easy. So first find mod z. Let this is z. Mod z equal to root over root 3 square plus 1 square. That is 2. Polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r equal to mod z and theta is the argument. Now I have to find tan theta equal to mod y by x, that is 1 by root 3, that is theta equal to 13 degree. It is lying in the first quadrant. So it's very obvious that theta is 30 degree. This is the argument. Means argument of z equal to 30 degree. Now the answer will be 2 into cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. Theta 30 degree equal to pi by 6. This is the polar form. This is the polar form of this number. Now if you want to see the diagram, if you want to know diagrammatically, I'll show you. Suppose this is the point. This is the point z lying here. This is r and this is theta. Okay. If it is x plus iy, then this perpendicular is y and this is x. Okay. Now cos theta equal to x by r, sin theta equal to y by r. Now express x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Put the values, replace the values x and y from this, you will get this form. It's very easy. But always remember, argument for the first quadrant theta, pi minus theta here, theta minus pi and minus theta. It's very easy. So students, you do one thing. If you have Ncert, then you do 5.1 and 5.2. Okay. And in other books also, you can do it also from SND, from R.D. Sharma, whatever book you have, you do this. Okay. You do 4 things. That is 1, argument, 2, polar form, 3, MCQs. For all these topics, don't forget to go to Telis, check class 11 and check the chapters what I taught you regarding complex number day 1 to day 5. Okay. So this is the chapter I am directly starting today. But before that, I in the last 5 classes, I taught you how to find out all these things. Okay. So this is your homework. Bye. Good night.